Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Welcome to today's video and I hope you guys are all doing absolutely fantastic today. So we are just going to be shopping my stash today. Whatever I have in my beauty room, we're just going to be doing some shopping. We're going to start with the lipstick that I'm actually wearing. I have two things on my lips today besides the lip balm that I always go in with first. This jumbo lip pencil is from NARS. Now the name of this lip pencil is going to be linked below for you guys because I really can't say the name. And it's like a deep kind of purpley color. Here's a little swatch for you guys. It's right there, very deep, but when you blend that in with something neutral, it looks really nice. This jumbo lip pencil is called Teddy and this is from NYX. You guys would have seen this on Instagram, I think, but I love the both combinations together, and I think this will work with any skin tone. It doesn't matter what. If you're a human being, you can wear these lipsticks. They look really good together. And we are going to talk about the eyeshadow now. Now the eyeshadow is this little eyeshadow palette from Boohoo. I don't remember if I showed you guys this before. This is just a Boohoo eyeshadow palette. There is no particular name on here, but they've got different shades, and I just chose the Bleu eyeshadow palette. Well, it's almost blue or purple, and I'm gonna bring that close so you guys can see. And I always appreciate a beautiful yellow there that you can use as a transition. And the color to the bottom, this beautiful shimmy color right here, this is what I do have on my lid. And I went in with the Revolution glitter glue so I can get a little bit more high pigmentation with it. And I love this little palette. You only have 6 colors in here. And do I recommend this palette for you guys? Yes, I do. This is going to be featured in my magazine for sure. Any products that I really like and appreciate is going to be in my magazine. I mean, I love so many things, but I don't want to have to overwhelm my magazine with too many products. But I think when something really stands out to me, it needs a feature, okay? And this is one of those eyeshadow palettes that does need a feature in my magazine. It's a beautiful one, and yes, I do recommend this for you guys because the color payoff is really pretty. Love it. Again, it's going to be linked below. Next, we are going to be talking about these lashes that I'm wearing. Oh my god, these lashes are beautiful. They are from Dorado Cosmetics. This was sent to me in PR. This one is called Drama Queen. You would have seen this on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's going to be below for you. Please guys, just follow me there. And so 2 of them came in the PR package. This is called Drama Queen and the other one is called Lola, and I do have Lola on my eyes today. Lola is beautiful. Lola is full. She is fantastic. She makes you feel really good. She makes you feel sexy. She opens up the eyes. She makes your eyes look so beautiful. And these are lashes that you can wear the simplest makeup look and it's going to make your face look so absolutely beautiful. Very dramatic. Again, Dorado Cosmetics, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys just in case you want to try these out. They are beautiful. Another set of my lashes are from Sean's Beauty. I used to always say Sean Z, but she says Sean's Beauty. So these lashes are also wonderful. This is Sassy and this one is called Sade. I do have other lashes from her, but these again are some of my favorites, and I think they were featured in my magazine. I am sure they were. And another set of my favorite lashes are from Demi Dazzling. You guys would have seen me wear some of these lashes before, and they are really pretty. I love the packaging, really nice. So you will always see me wearing either Dorado Cosmetics, Demi Dazzling, or Sean's Beauty lashes on Instagram. You may see the odd ones every once in a while, like from other brands, but it's always going to be basically those 3 brands. Next, I'm going to show you guys this set of lashes that I got from Sisley's, and I was going through my beauty room and I've never ever used these brushes, and they are quite expensive. And I got these from John Lewis. I have not used these brushes before. It's a set. I don't remember how much I paid for these, but I know they were quite steep. Because I think sometimes when you can afford it, it's good to be able to buy yourself some good set of brushes, and the brushes are really nice. And as you can see here, this is Sisley Paris, and this is like a contour brush. I think I've never actually used this before. And again, I got these from John Lewis, and let me just see how many is in it. So you've got 3. It's 5 set of brushes, and this is the big mama right here. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. And I think this one could be a foundation brush, or you can use this to apply your concealers. Very, very nice. And that's why I'm actually shopping my stash today, because I'm discovering things that I've never actually used. And the brushes, it feels so, so good. Amazing. And it comes in this beautiful case. So you have 2 brushes on this side and you have 3 on the other side. They are really, really nice. And I'm going to be definitely doing my makeup using this set for you guys at some point. Next, we are going to talk about this beautiful glitter. This is from Urban Decay, and this one is called Spandex, and it's a beautiful glitter eyeliner, but I put a little bit of this just in the corner of my eyes, or you can use this, like I said, as an eyeliner. It is so pretty, and a little bit of this goes a really long way. You may not be able to see it there. This is it right there. Beautiful, gorgeous glitter. Amazing. This is from Urban Decay. I don't remember how much this is cost, but I don't think it's that much. But this brand, it's not brand, but this color I really like. And it would be nice to just go in with a little bit of this just in the corner of my eyes right here and give me a little bit more glitter. Let me just see how that's gonna look. I think that's gonna look really nice. Wow. It is so pretty though, eh? This is really, really nice. You get a beautiful, lovely glitter just in the corner of your eyes. Very, very pretty. I mean, if you want to go in under your eyes, that's fine. But I just put a little bit of this just in the corner of my eyes. I absolutely love this. Another one of my favorite products, it's not a favorites video, but shopping my stash today. This is from Inglot. I'm not quite sure if I showed you guys this before as well. This is the Inglot Mattifying Under Makeup Base. When I had done the photo shoot for my video, the makeup artist used everything from Inglot, and this is one of the products that she did use to mattify my face, and I do like this one. And this is another one from Inglot, and this is the Ever Matte Day Protection. Now, this did not come like this, okay? As you notice, this is the black part. This is the actual product here, okay? I did not know how to open this. And I thought, how the hell do you open up this thing and use it? So I'm thinking, do you twist? Do you pull? Whatever. I have no idea. So I was twisting this thing so much, I ended up pulling the bottom out, not realizing, if you notice right there, all you're going to do is squeeze and the product comes out. Let me do it again. I probably did that too fast. You squeeze that. There we go. And the product comes out. And I'm thinking, Inglot, could you make it a little bit more complicated for me? Could you? Could you make it just a little bit more complicated? And then I felt so stupid. So I'm trying now to put the actual bottom of this back on the product, but it wasn't working because every time I squeezed, my product was coming out. And I thought, you know what? To hell with it. Just forget it. Another one of my beauty stash, I picked up another couple more of those jumbo pencils from NYX. I haven't used them yet. This one is called French Maid, and here it is. Oops, this is French Maid, and you know, it's almost like it's a pinky, kind of rose pink kind of shade, almost matches my nail polish. Very nice. I am going to be buying a lot more of these pencils from NYX, and what I like about these pencils is the fact that you can mix and match them. And this one is called Exotic. I haven't used this one yet. It's more of a reddish brick color, and this is it right there. They are so beautiful, and I really highly recommend these lip pencils from NYX because I think, like I said, they work really well and you can mix them together. And of course, I do have from NARS, this is Aqua Gel Luminous Oil-Free Moisturiser. This is my second jar because the first one was finished. I remember we had gone into NARS we had gone somewhere and went into a NARS store, and this girl, Helen, the makeup artist, I think we were in Covent Gardens, and she did my face and she used this product. It is so good. This is it right here. This is my brand new jar of this gel, and I use this every single day. So, and one more thing before we go. This is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I got this from justmylook.com. And it's just a matte powder, and this is really good to remove any not oil but shyness from your face. You could, it barely even comes out. So you're just going to use your brush, and it removes all of the oils from your face, and it makes your skin feel so nice and matte. And it's not going to disturb your foundation or your makeup at all. It is so good. And this is from Just My Look. I think I showed you guys this before. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy some of my beauty stash. I think I've got more to share with you guys, but these are the ones that I really, really, really like. So everything is going to be listed below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one or two things. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Thank you for staying with me throughout this video. My name is Odette, and I shall see you next time. Bye.